As you may know, Nepal and Tibet have shared like centuries of cultural, historical, spiritual ties. Um, Tibetan Buddhism, art, culture, trade, philosophy have shaped Nepali society in several profound ways. Um, that's why I find it really deeply painful when there's a program like Shizang Panorama being shown at KIMS. So Shizang is a word for colonial term actually for Tibet that Tibetan people do not accept ourselves. And as you may know, Tibet has been ranked as one of the least free places on earth, and it's been recognized as such by human rights organizations and experts. So yeah, I just think that it's obviously not just a thing about a name. It's not about film screening. It's also about like erasure. It's about representation. So I think as a Nepali society, also KIMS, we should do better, and we should. It's about rewriting the history of Tibetan people who have lived through oppression, and also giving a space for them to tell their own story and truth, and also dignity.